In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coinbase, a full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or an experienced trader wishing to enhance your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the essential processes of navigating and utilizing Coinbase to its fullest potential. Let's dive right in and get you started on your crypto journey. First, you'll want to locate the Coinbase app on your mobile device. For new users, head over to your device's App Store or Google Play Store, search for Coinbase, and download the app. Once installed, open it up and sign up using your credentials. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, including your name and email. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Next, let's talk about how to link your payment method to Coinbase. This step is crucial as it allows you to make transactions smoothly. You can link either your bank account or a debit or credit card. Each payment method comes with its own set of advantages, such as transaction speed and daily limits. So consider what best suits your needs. Once your payment method is securely linked, you're ready to buy crypto. Navigate to the homepage of the app, where you'll see a variety of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Simply select the crypto you're interested in, specify the amount you'd like to buy, and confirm the transaction. Keep an eye on the fees associated with each purchase, as they can vary. Now that you've made a purchase, let's discuss how you can sell your crypto. Selling is just as straightforward. Head back to your account dashboard, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, enter the amount, and proceed to confirm the sale. The funds you receive from selling will be added back to your fiat balance in the app. An additional feature you might find useful is trading or swapping crypto. Coinbase allows you to swap one cryptocurrency for another quickly and easily within the app. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to diversify your crypto portfolio or take advantage of market opportunities. Moving on to security, it's critical to safeguard your account. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which adds a layer of security. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second authentication factor. Setting up 2FA can typically be done in the security settings of the app with either a text message or an authentication app. When you're ready to withdraw your funds, it's a straightforward process. Head to the account section, select USD wallet, choose the withdraw option, and follow the prompts to send your funds back to your linked bank account. Be sure to double-check all details to avoid any errors. Lastly, for those who are more experienced traders, Coinbase offers an advanced option. Coinbase Advanced allows for more complex trading strategies and tools, catering particularly to those interested in in-depth market analysis and more granular control over trades. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Coinbase and maximizing your experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading!